Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you a quick video tour of our Skoda Octavia. So this is our 2009 Skoda Octavia estate. It's only covered 63,000 miles from new. It's got 3 previous owners, with the last owning is since 2015. A whopping 12 service stamps in the book, with the first 9 being main dealer. And whilst in our care, we've given it a service, replaced the all-important cambelt and water pump, given it a fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, it's in good condition for the age and mileage. Say the mileage is just really low mileage. There's a couple of little marks on the bodywork, but very much age related, nothing really to worry about. All looking really nice. Inside, you've got ice cold air conditioning, touchscreen radio with AM/FM radio, 6 CD changer. All looking in good condition. It's the 5-speed 1.6 diesel, super low road tax. I think it's only £35 a year to tax. Loads of legroom in the back. Very, very practical cars, these. And you've also got a lovely big boot to match as well, with the load cover. Fun little fact, you've also got a little bit of extra storage just under there. It's a nice little cubby hole. Very, very nice low mileage estate. Well looked after, 12 service stamps. That's not something you see every day on a low mileage car. Low owners, all service, cambelt all done, everything's in good condition, ready to go to its new owner. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.